Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi, Virginia. How are you? How was the weekend?
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's busy.
Okay. Where are you located, right?
Sorry?
Currently, where you are located in US?
New Jersey.
Okay. New Jersey. So, how's the weather there?
It's pretty cold from Sunday. Today is super cold.
I got a news like in the US, there's a lot of like destructive erosions and the forest fire, like the Los Angeles, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the
Are you
government.
residing in US?
No, right now I'm in the Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So, has the like US government taken any kind of actions against that?
Yeah, I think yesterday the first statement, the couple of statements given by Trump was like at first he said only two genders are in US, like only male and female. There are not there. I think there is no more other gender is available in US. So he signed for that. And then later he signed for the illegal immigrants and everyone. Like he will definitely. I mean, the main agenda when he was during his during his political agenda also is like no more illegal immigrants should be found in the America. He said he will take a strict action on these guys.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, well, moving to the further topics, right? So, last session, what we have covered.
I covered like some programs regarding the functions and everything, and we said to practice sets, tuples, lists, and dictionaries.
Hmm.
And you said you're gonna start yesterday since there is no class. You said you would be starting oops concept yesterday,
Hmm.
so it can be resumed today, I guess.
Yeah. Like before that, I want to just make sure whether the you guys have prepared the dictionary set tables or not, right? It's gonna be a very simple thing.
Yeah.
You don't have to like deep into the dive. Okay. What the thing is like the tuples. If I just talk about for tuples, tuples is a kind of immutable things where you cannot
Yes.
directly modify it, right? If you
Yeah.
want to modify that tuple, you have to first convert it to the list and then you can modify
And
it.
then we have to modify
Yeah, then you have to back into the list and then sorry, you have to back into this from list to tuple. Then you have to simply
yeah.
return that tuple. Nothing else, right? Hasina, I think we
Yes.
have covered this thing, right, with you? Hello.
Yeah, we come. Yeah, we done with that then.
Okay. What are the some
Yeah.
functions for like updating the tuples? Hasina, tell me.
Well, hello to you too. What's the game
Uh,
plan? Deep chat, random
Functions.
musings, or are we just keeping it
Uh,
cool?
Mm-hmm. What are some functions, some basic functions to update the tuples? Not the tuples, list, dictionary, set.
yeah. Uh, index. Index.
Append to add something. Inserting.
Yeah.
What
Append.
is the difference between the append and insert? Even though both are like useful to add something in that particular list, right? But what is the differences between
Yeah.
these two? If you are going to use the insert, we have to mention a particular index value. At what
Yes.
place I
Exactly.
want to add this thing, right? Append doesn't
Yeah.
require any kind of indexing value. If you are going to
It directly
append it,
happens
yeah, at the last of
last
the index,
at the
right?
last. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can create the new tuple.
Hasina, please make sure the basics of the Python you have clear to you, right? Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the thing is like more in a deep after the sessions, the further
Mm.
session in this couple of weeks. Okay, so just make sure you
Okay.
guys whatever we have completed till now, it's beyond your like mind. Got it? It's just like a basics of Python. We haven't till started the intermediate level of the Python. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Okay. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. So I haven't given you the homework the last time.
This I have done for my practice.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
The list doubles, sets, and
Mm, no worries. So function we have successfully completed, right? I think
yeah.
we have successfully
Yes.
completed the functions. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Talking about the oops concepts. uh, this we are going to start the numpy. Oops, I will give you the overall the introduction why I will create one document, because oops is not little bit required in this data science and data analytics field, right? So I'm just going to start the numpy. Okay,
Okay.
got it. Python numpy. Okay, so what is the meaning of the numpy? That's Hasina.
Don't know when.
Tell me. NumPy is related to
Um,
the numerical Python, right? Numerical Python, what is the main? Whenever we have to deal with the numeric kinds of a data structure, numeric where the numeric tables, where the numeric array, right? So we will mostly use the NumPy. Okay, got it.
Okay.
Okay, one more thing. What is the difference between the simple array and the numeric array? Think about it. You can Google it, you can search it as well. What is the key differences between the simple array and the numeric array? NumPy array, sorry.
Simple array, it says it can store only a single data type, which is specified when the array is created.
See,
NumPy array, yeah.
the simple array can store a multiple data, right? A multiple data.
Mhm.
NumPy also can contain a multiple data, right? Multiple data types, whether it is like array, string, all things, right? But the key difference is it simple array have only allows the one dimension, but NumPy
Okay.
array allows the multiple n dimensions. Either it's 1D, 2D, 3D, up to the ND, right? So
Okay.
whenever you have a kind of a, like a data that has been encrypted in the NumPy data structure, right? So it is like simply it is not fixed. The data has been stored in the one dimension. Data can be stored in the multiple dimensions as well. Either it may be the
Okay.
1D, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, 4, 5, 6, depends. Got it? So this is what the speciality using the NumPy. Why we are going to use the NumPy? Already we have a simple array. Why we are using the NumPy? So simple array is what? That list, that particular list. Got it?
Yeah.
Clear, Hasina? Is it
Yes.
clear?
yeah, man.
Simple array is
Yeah,
what?
man.
A kind of a list, right?
A kind of list, yeah,
So this is what
with
a key
multiple.
differences between a list or simple array and the NumPy array. Okay, now we are moving into the code syntax to the NumPy. We have to first install pip install NumPy. So this is the Google Colab ID. So here it is already installed, but I am giving you the overview like how you can install in your own ID. Like if you are using the PyCharm, so you have to install it, right? PyCharm a kind of ID where you have to install each and every library. There is no pre-install a kind of a library things, but here the NumPy, sklearn, matplotlib, pandas already has been installed, right? Can you see this message?
Okay.
Yeah.
Requirement already satisfied. It means this NumPy has already been installed in this ID. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay.
How we can use that? Simply import. Again, this is what import a keyword. Import NumPy as np, right? We have to check the version. How we can check the version? Check the version of the NumPy. Simply print. You have to make it print np dot double underscore, right? This one,
Okay.
1.26.4, the latest one.
Okay.
You guys can use the Jupyter notebook as well, right? Got it?
Yeah.
It is
Yeah.
like faster than the Google Colab. Google Colab is in a collaborated ID. This is what the tool of Google. So at the single time, like there is like billion and billion of people are using. Got it? So that's why this product is
Right.
gonna be take a lot of time to like run that particular block of code, right? So that's why Google Jupyter Notebook is a little bit faster than this Google Colab ID. Okay, if you guys are
Yeah.
want to like use the Python data science AI kind of a web application or making the app, you guys can go for a PyCharm ID. PyCharm ID is like, I have given you overview, right? For the PyCharm ID, this is what the thing is. Or simply you can use the VS Code Studio, but PyCharm is more good, right?
Okay.
Visual Code Studio, the thing is, Visual Code Studio you can use for multiple languages, but PyCharm is fixed for Python development. Python development for data science or AI, right? Got it? Data science and web
Yeah.
development. Okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
coming to the here. Creating the arrays. We have to create the arrays. Vamsi is not there today.
Don't know.
Yeah. I haven't joined.
Creating the numpy arrays. How we can create array1. What is the meaning of array1? 1D array, right? So
Yeah.
np dot array. Okay, inside this what we have to do, we have to only follow the list 1 see, nothing else, and print if we want to calculate the length, then how we can calculate?
Len dot print
Len
np.
dot len of
Lenov.
array1
Yeah.
data type. I want to check for data type, then how we can
Type of
type of
array1.
array1, right? I want to fetch out the whole data using the for loop and while loop. Yeah, let me know, Vamsi. Sorry, Hasina. I want to fetch out
Yeah.
all data points using the for loop and while loop using this particular array. How we can do this? For I
Yeah.
in
For I in
range.
yeah. For I in
For I in
range of in
array1.
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 See, here we don't have to specify the length or the range, because
Length. Yeah.
array1 is a
We know
kind
the
of what dimensional container, right? So already the length has been fixed here, so we can do this as well. Now what? Print I,
print.
simple.
Yeah. Print
Or print of array1
Array.
of I, this one or what?
I, both should work.
Will this work? No, error. Why? Already we have seen this error, right? And we have fixed as well. Vamsi, tell me.
Yeah. Index 6 is one.
Whenever
If
it
it's
is giving me the error of index, saying we don't have to print like that. Only we
len
will
of
print of I will
I.
print the indexes. Got it? 1
Yeah.
2 3 4 5 6. Coming to the point. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, what another method we can apply here? For I in range function can we apply from 0 to
Yeah.
len of what? Array of I,
Array.
array of 1.
Array.
Can we
Yeah.
do this?
Yeah.
Now can we do this? See, the output has been changed from 1 to 6 is going to be the 0 1 2 3 4 5. This is
Yes.
known as the output as an index. This is what exactly a index,
Yeah.
because we have started range from 0. Where it is 0 at what? Here,
1.
and len of array of 1, it's gonna be the 6. So it will print simply the I what? Indexing. Okay, array of 1 of I. Will make sense or what?
Yeah, then it will. Yes, because when we give print array of, print array 1 of it, then it will be accessing like 0th element to the length of the array 1. Then it should give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Got it? So whenever
Yeah.
we
Yeah.
have to print from 1 to 6, we have to apply this range function, and inside this range function we have to apply from 0 to its length, right? If you are
Yeah.
simply putting this for I in range r1, right, so you cannot print like this. It will give you simple error of indexing. You have to print over the index.
Yeah.
Got it? The I simple 1 2 3 4
Yeah,
5
okay.
6. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is what a 1D array. Got it? This is what a 1D array. How we can create a 2D array?
We should give two
Array.
empty lists beside array 1.
Okay. np dot array
Array.
1, and then
New list.
make sense?
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
But how? Just think about it. How this is a 2D array and how this is a 1D array? What is the key differences between the structure? I'm talking about the structure where the data has been arranged in the list. Vamsi, sorry, Hasina,
Yeah.
let me know.
Yeah.
The structure of both array, the first dimension and the second dimension, what is the key differences here?
Columns has been added.
Columns has been added.
I mean, within the interpreter.
We did multiple lists.
Okay.
Multiple lists. Yeah.
What is the dimension for this array?
N dimension.
No, it's not an n dimension actually. Think about it. Count and
Yeah.
think about it. What is the dimension?
0.
It's a 0 dimension.
14 or 15.
Whenever we have to count a dimension, we have to only see from the left side, right?
Yes.
Got it.
Yeah.
How many braces open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15.
It's a kind of a 15th dimension. Okay, in the 15th dimension I will add up some data, right?
Okay.
This is what the data remaining of the before 14th dimension has been empty. Is what? Empty. Only the 15th dimension has been filled by some data. Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
so will this be you called as an empty array or non-empty array?
Since some data is added, it should be non-empty array.
Exactly, very good. What about this?
It should. It's no data, and it's simply empty array.
It's simply what?
An empty array with
Empty array.
some dimension.
No, it's also not an empty array. See, the array green one contains this array. This 4
Yes.
array
Okay.
contains this array. Then this contains this array. This contains this array. Last, this contains this array. This is not an empty array,
Empty. Yes.
right? Making the empty array. Empty array.
Yeah.
Empty array. Something is not there. This is what empty array. Will this be the empty array? Because space
Yeah.
has been added. No,
Space has
no,
been
Yes,
no.
then it is not empty array.
This is not an empty array.
This is
This is an
your
empty array. But again, this is not an empty array. Because this empty array contains the another empty array. So this is not an kind of what? Empty array. Is that clear to you?
yeah.
Vamsi?
Yeah.
Hasina?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Again, anyone just please share your screen. Vamsi, please share your screen. The same Google collab.
Okay.
DA Python collab. This one, right?
Just a second.
A lot of noise from your side. Keep mute.
I can only see up until this.
This is not. Wait, I'm sharing. This is the DA Python. We have started the NumPy in the DA Python, right? I'm sharing the link in the chat, meeting chat. This one. Everyone, please open this collab.
Okay.
Yeah.
What you have to do? First, create 1D array, 2D array, and then 3D array. So 1D, 2D, I have given you the example. Just create the 3D array. Hasina, please keep mute. Not like that. Add some data there.
It's not coming. Can you see something?
What happened?
It got stuck.
You are paused. Make sure your network connection is good, Vamsi. Is there any kind of issue from the network from your side? No issue. Panchajanya, you can share.
Yeah, okay, just a second. I'll do that.
Yeah, this one. Okay, NP is not defined. Run the above cell first,
Yes.
then it will work.
What's
NP,
that?
I have declared the NP. Okay, you can do one thing, import NP numpy as NP.
Yeah, that's
Right.
what I want to ask. When we have to.
No, you don't need to install that. It's already installed in your ID. Import np as an numpy as np. That's it. Nothing else.
Okay.
Yeah. Import numpy as np. Yeah, that's it. Got it? Okay.
Yeah, three
Fine.
dimensions.
Yeah. So first, one dimension, two dimension, three dimension. Talking about creating the n dimension. How we can do?
I'm not sure.
क्या करना है? हाँ मैं तो बोलूँगा, मैं कितनी बार बोल चुका हूँ अर्जुन भाई को, भाई बहुत बार बोला है, लेकिन अर्जुन भाई ने कहा है कि अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, इंटरव्यू नहीं आ रहा तो वहाँ पे ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन फिर भी
Muted download.
नहीं है। भाई जब से जनवरी से आया हूँ आपका सिर्फ एक ही था वंदना वाला, ठीक है, वो भी उसने मना ही कर दिया कि मैं तो
యారే
slot लेने
ఇప్పుడే
वाला था,
స్టార్ట్
उसने मना
చేసిన
कर दिया कि मैं
ఈరోజు
बाहर
ఇది నిన్న లేకుండే కదా.
तो जनवरी से अभी
లేదు
तक कोई
లేదు
बैठा
ఇది
हुआ
ఈ రోజే స్టార్ట్ చేసాడు. స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే 5 minutes ముందు.
ఓకే.
नहीं भाई मैंने तो बोला है, नहीं है सही, मैं बोलूँगा, मैं तो बोलूँगा ही बोलूँगा। हेलो। Okay, fine. Now what do we have to do? What I ask you to?
Import how to create n-dimensional array.
Yeah, the n-dimensional array. Yeah, how we can create the n-dimensional array? Simple.
I have no idea absolutely.
Okay. Hasina? See, try to find out the pattern that we have followed here from using the 1 dimension, 2 dimension and the 3 dimension, creating the n dimensional array using the np.full. There is a inbuilt function in numpy. We have to use np.full.
Okay.
This one.
Sure. You can share.
Right. Is my screen visual?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we have to create the n dimension array, so we have to use the np.full. Got it? Just take arr equals np.full. Okay, inside this now we have to pass some data here and then the dimension. I want to check for the shape as well. We'll use the simply shape function. Leave this. first I want to cover up here. I will see the n dimension after creating the n zeros, right? Got it. Creating the zeros and creating the ones. Do you know what is the zeros and what is the ones?
Like binary codes or
No, I'm not asking. Not zero, not see. Having the zero data or zero item only. This is known as what? Zeros.
Okay.
okay.
Got
So inside the zeros, so yeah, it is like rows and number of rows and number of columns, right? 2, 3.
Specifying this 2, 3. Okay. How many rows and how many columns are there?
Okay.
Tell me. 2 rows,
2 rows and 3 columns.
3 columns. So always these represent the rows and this
Rows.
represent the columns.
Columns.
Right, and the shape also follows this structure. Got it. Now creating the ones, np dot ones, again 2, 3. See, 1 1 1 1 1. Whenever we have only the 1 data in the array known as ones, only have the 0 data in the array known as zeros.
Zero.
Got it. Now I want to check the again the shape. Add dot shape. Can we use this?
Yeah, you said it should give a shape, specified shape.
But shape specify what we have chosen here, 2, 3. So 2,
Yeah.
3 already we have specify in this code as well, right? 2, 3 is what?
Yeah.
Exactly. It's nothing,
The
but
shape
is
of
what?
the map.
Shape.
It is
We are giving the shape. Can we define an array having 5, 3?
5,
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
5 row and 3.
Yeah.
Got it. Now I want to generate the data random. Got it. So it's a random array. We have to use the np dot random. Again, random is a kind of a function, right?
Okay.
2, 3. Now what is the simple meaning including 2, 3?
So again, 2 rows and 3 columns with different whatever the with random data.
With random numbers. Yeah.
Okay, but why this choosing only from less than 1?
Yeah, that's my
If I
question.
just run this again,
Yeah.
will be changed after every execution of this code, right? Got it.
Yeah.
So if you are not specifying anything, this random dot rand function always choose, then mostly is like 90% of chance it will pick up the number always less than 1, always less than 1. But this data is not fixed, it will be changed after execution of this code, right? See, the data is going to be changed. What about this?
Same. 3 by 3 matrix with
Zeros.
random data.
Error. Tuple object cannot be interpreted as an integer. What is the error here? This rand function is a randomly generated, right? So this random dot rand function will not works for such kind of a shape. Okay, we have to change for random rand to the random dot random. Now run this again. See, 3, 3
Why? If the number of rows and columns are
is
same, then should
yeah,
we
yeah,
specify the random dot random?
exactly.
Okay.
Random dot random will work for 2, 2. Random dot rand Want to try it? Will
Or
it work or not?
okay, it's not
No,
working.
Tuple
it's
object
not
cannot be
working.
interpreted as an integer. Okay. If you want to make the hypothesis here, you can do. The Chamini is already there, like the AI integrated. Got it? So you will get the exactly hypothesis from here. Cannot be integer because np.random function accepts separate integer argument shape of the array, but it received the tuple 2 comma 2. Are you getting it? See,
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
the thing is, we are giving here the tuple, right?
Mm.
Fine, but we are giving here the tuple. Is that clear? Tuple
Yeah.
inside the shape.
Yeah,
Okay, so it will not fetch that. Got it?
yeah.
We have to use the random then.
Random dot.
Random dot random. What about the indexing, slicing? Or I think already these things we have covered in the array, right? Indexing and the slicing. Vamsi, have we
Yeah,
covered
we
this?
covered it in list tuples when we are
List
discussing about
tuples.
that.
Yeah.
Panchajanya, are you aware with this
Mm,
indexing?
yes.
Slicing?
Yes. Tuples, however, it's immutable. So
No, 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 no. I'm asking the slicing operation.
can you give me an example? Then I can recollect.
Vamsi, tell.
For example, if you have a list of numbers from 1 to 10, so if we wanna skip each
Okay.
number like 2 times, so like uh, 1 colon 10,
Okay.
we
Okay. I
where,
get it.
where we
I get
wanna
it.
end
So
that and stop, like start, stop, and skip.
so a certain amount of so only certain amount of data, then it will be called as slicing, right?
Yeah.
What about negative indexing and slicing?
Negative indexing, it will start from at the end -1 to the left, from right to left.
I'm going to create ar simple np dot array here and simple any random data you want to give it here, right? Now I want to perform here the indexing and the slicing, right? First of all, indexing is a simple. I have to just make sure the index value 4 will give you that fourth position, right? This is what 56. Got
Yeah.
it? Now
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to make sure the negative indexing. What is the meaning of negative indexing? -4 will count from right to left, opposite side. -1,
Yeah.
-2, -3, -4. What will be the output then?
34.
34? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talking about the indexing.
Yeah. From 34.
0 and 4. 0, what is the meaning? This is what start index.
0 is start.
4 is
It,
what end index.
4
But
minus
Yeah.
1.
4
N minus
is
1
not
index.
included here. 4 is not, it's excluded. We have to reach just once before. 4 minus 1, that is what?
Yeah.
3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 12 to 45.
Yes. Yeah.
56.
Okay. Very simple.
Mhm.
We have to reverse this situation, right? So it's gonna be the -2 to minus, okay, -4 to -2. Yeah, let me know this.
It will give till minus
Minus
2 element.
It will give 34, 35,
34,
and
30.
34, 45.
Is it
34
clear?
and 45. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what the simple fundamental of slicing and indexing. I have just
Yeah,
missed
yeah.
these topic like dictionary and tuples and this thing because this is what the basic things. Okay, so it's already is presented, like already is there above. You will scroll up.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
it's there, right? So it's up to you. So do the practice. If you have any kind of like stuck or like problem, then you can contact me. I will let you know, right? So this is a
Okay.
very simple thing, like was the array, simple array. Okay, fine.
Mhm.
Okay, modification. Do some modification here. How we can do the modification?
Append, insert.
Add of at index of 3, I want to add something, this value will be work.
Yeah.
Asina,
Yeah, man.
yeah, will this work? This modification of array will work?
Mm, yes.
Okay, let me know using the append function.
Should add at the end.
Using the append function, we have to modify our array. Okay. So what do we have to do?
Mm,
Array
Array
equals
is
to np
yeah.
dot
NP dot
append. Again,
append.
we have to mention these things, right? What value are you going to add? 43.
Yes.
Okay. Simply print array. It will always be add up at the last.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me the approach I'm going to follow here for insert.
Okay. Array is
np
equals
dot
to np dot
insert.
insert.
We have to make array.
Which
The
index we are
position,
in?
which index? So
Which
it's gonna be
index we are
let's
adding?
suppose the 5th index. I want to add this value, right? So
Yeah.
every time you have to mention here np dot. Every functions required the np dot. Why? This is not a simple array. This is a numpy array. So you have to recall that. Compiler, how will the compiler will understand this kind of a like simple array of what something array? This np dot insert. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Now updating something, already we have discussed it. Update like this. Okay, adding something. Now deleting something. We have to remove something. How we can remove?
Just remove, for removing it's remove.
Po- Pop or
Or we can use the np dot pop.
mm,
What would be the outcome?
it will automatically take the last value if you didn't mention anything.
We cannot use the pop. np has no object attribute here in the pop, right? What else we can do? Using instead of using the pop, what else we can do?
Remove.
Okay, try for remove. Okay, so remove, we have to again mention the air and which position.
Mm.
Let's suppose the 6. This is what the index value or what value we want to replace?
It's an
That's
index value.
index value.
Index value.
Yeah.
Again, np has no option for removing these things. What else we can
Okay.
do?
Delete.
Okay, what else? Tell me, Vamsi.
Update.
Clear del.
Mm.
We
Yeah.
can use del.
Clear.
We can use del, but del we cannot use. Here we have to use the delete, right?
Mhm.
Down.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
What else? Clear? How we can modify our the numpy array? It just likewise the list as a simple array, but here you have to mention some functions will not recallable in numpy. Okay, likewise like append, insert or add function, this will work, but directly using the remove or pop will not work here. Instead of del keyword we have to use the delete.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now one question is, which one is faster, the simple array or the numpy array? Hasina, tell me the answer. Which array is faster? The numpy array or simple array?
Simple array.
Simple array is faster, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, because it has.
Okay, wrong answer.
Okay.
Simple array is not faster. Numpy array is faster. But what is the reason, like why NumPy array is faster than the simple array? Do Google, ChatGPT, Copilot, something, and let me know the answer. Like why? Got the answer?
Checking it. It says homogeneous data and contiguous memory allocation,
No, no. I'm simply
vectorized
asking
operation.
which one is faster first.
Oh, okay.
NumPy array.
NumPy array, okay. NumPy array is
Yeah.
faster, right? So why the NumPy array is faster than the simple array? What is the reason? Tell me, you guys are using the Google, you are searching over the Google, not got the answer.
It says due to its homogeneous data type.
This will be your homework questions, like why
Because
they.
of its contagious memory allocation.
What?
Because of its contagious memory allocation.
What is the meaning of that contagious memory allocation? Memory allocation
So
things I have already discussed with you, right? I have already
Yeah.
clear this uh, this concept, the memory allocation. What is the meaning of contiguous memory allocation here?
and also it says it's for vectorized operations.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Like we can perform
this is what
elementary
one of
style.
the reason in the NumPy array. NumPy array stored the data in vector databases, vectorized databases, right? So it's not a simple database; it's a kind of vectorized database in the NumPy array. Got it?
And broadcasting also, it shows that NumPy supports broadcasting, which allows to efficient operations.
See, whenever we have a simple array has their limitations. What are the limitations? The limitations of the dimensions, right? We cannot create the n dimensions there, but in the same in the NumPy array we can create the what n dimensions. Second things, the library explorations. NumPy is a kind of a library, right? It's a kind of a module that has a lot of inbuilt function that is gonna be worked as a what mathematical operation, make it like very easy for functional, make these NumPy array very functional very easily, right? But there is a simple array, there is like a limitation in the function side, there is like few inbuilt functions, right? NumPy has a random thing which we can create the random generated items in the NumPy itself. Got it? Fine.
Yeah.
And one more thing, contiguous, what you have word used, the memory allocation. You have to do research over
Contiguous
this.
memory
Yeah,
allocation.
you have to do research over this. Tomorrow's session we will discuss about this, what is the meaning of this and why it's going to be applied in the only NumPy array, not in the list,
Okay.
tuple, dictionary or set, not in the simple array. Okay,
Okay.
this is what is the
Yeah.
homework. And the second thing else, calculating the n dimensions of the array, how we can easily calculate the n dimensions of the array, the NumPy array, not array, the NumPy array. Third things, what operations, what mathematical operation we can simply perform while working with the NumPy arrays. Three things. Is that clear? Vamsi,
Yeah.
Hasina, Panchajanya?
Yes, why NumPy is faster and how to calculate the n-dimensional NumPy array and what are the operations that we can perform on NumPy array.
Got it? So
Yeah.
in tomorrow's session we will cover up these things. We are going to just skip this oops concept. We will see after this, because oops does not make any sense in this AI field, right? So I will let you know
Okay.
the only the basics of things like oops concept, the polymorphism, abstraction, all these things. Okay. More you
Okay.
have to collaborate with the NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and SciPy. More you will evolve with the stats model. More you will evolve with the mathematics statics. It will be more fine for you to play with the NumPys and the Pandas. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Till now, any doubt, any queries you guys have? What we have covered in this today's sessions?
Yeah. Can you show me an example for user input NumPy arrays? Like still now, I mean, as of now, we just taken our, I mean, we just predefined the data for the NumPy arrays. Can you give me an example for user defined data for the NumPy arrays? Taking input at the runtime,
Okay.
giving input at the runtime.
We have covered this thing, how we can take the user input in the Python.
I mean, just input using input function, then we can take a specific data type. But how for this is it same or different?
Like, what do you want exactly? How we can take the input from user? You are saying this one,
Yeah, I
the
mean,
NumPy array.
yes, for the NumPy array.
Okay. So what we have to first create it. For a user defined, we have to use the. Let's suppose I am giving you the simple example. Let's suppose n equals what, 36, 23, right?
Okay.
I am putting this one. Str equals, not str, s equals this one, right? But talking about to take an input from the user. Got it?
Mhm. Yeah.
Simply we have to print that number. Hmm,
Likewise, how can we perform the same with these NumPy arrays?
wait a minute, just
Yeah. Okay.
the enter keyboard is not working in my laptop, right? Okay. The same issue we have faced right earlier, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, for your system.
Leave it. So whenever you have to take the input from the user input, we have to define that input functions. This one.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay. But this input function, this work when you are going to take the input, the rather than of like integer or something. Let's suppose str.
Yeah.
I'm going to take an input of int, right? So we have to mention that int first, then input
Yeah. Then
function.
input. Yeah.
Float. Can we mention the float?
Float.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can.
But we don't need to make it here the str. This doesn't make sense.
Yes.
If you want to
In
make
the
the this one, so you have to only use it input,
input.
nothing
Yeah.
else. Got it? So same we can use it here. Okay. So we can make user array equals, we have to take it input.
Okay.
Why only we entering this one? Enter
It's giving
the
the output anyway.
separated numbers. Okay. Now
Yeah.
what we have to do? We have to create one array, right? In that array we have to make np.array, and what we have uses the above. This is what? User input. Got it?
Yeah. User array. We have to take
We
that.
have to make, we have to use the split function. What split functions do
Okay.
actually?
It
It's
Let's suppose you have taken this one. You are every time you are entering the different So it will automatically split, or you can say separate it, right?
Okay. Mm.
This one. So it will automatically split into these. Got it? So we will use a split function. Got it? So what we have to enter here, np.array here. We have to array enter the what we have mentioned above, right? So I will make the int of x. This makes sure I'm going to enter it here the integer, right? Now
Yeah.
make a loop for I. You can take I in which one that we have users here, the user array or right, sorry, user array dot make the split. Got it? Now we have to print that our
Okay.
simple array. Okay, again my
Okay.
intro keyboard is not working here after this. I don't know why this one. Try this piece of code.
Okay.
Wait, I'm giving you here. Try this one, this logic.
Yeah. It's the same with our collab as well. It's running and running.
In everyone's ID, Hasina, Vamsi.
Uh,
Yeah,
yeah.
but it's on processor. Yeah,
Okay, we'll check
there
out
is
these
no
thing in
number.
tomorrow's session, right? I have a
Okay.
one
Okay.
session, okay, after this. Got it?
Sure. Sure. Okay. Okay.
So
Yeah.
the three things I have given to you, right? We will
Yeah.
discuss these thing and this thing as well, user input things, and make sure that I will take the discussion over these things, and we will then move forward into the next topic. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Nan,
Hello.
you will post today's recording, right? You will
Yeah, I will post. I will
post.
post. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have one thing I have already like. Also, I'm just going to add this thing. It's just a moment about the summary of the recording video, right? If you don't
Yeah.
want to
Yeah.
listen the whole thing, you can take the summary as well, right? The both thing is there.
Yeah.
No worries about that. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay then.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you for joining the session, man. Yeah. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Hello.
Who's this?
This is Preeti. I called
Okay.
you
Okay. Yeah.
called me on
Preeti.
Friday.
Yeah. You have an
Yeah.
assessment today, right? I will cover it. No worries. What is your availability for today?
Anytime.
Anytime. Okay.
Yeah.
Have you installed the? Uh, just wait. Have you installed the Chrome Remote Desktop or not?
No, I don't know any of this.
Okay, no worry. I'm going to share you one link, right? One meeting. Oh, sorry, not meeting. One YouTube video, okay, on your WhatsApp. Please install it
Okay.
and make the pin 1 2 3 4 5 6. Watch the whole video. You will got the idea how to do it. Got it? And then
Okay.
just ping
Sure.
me like you have finished with the Chrome Remote Desktop. Then we will start your assessment. Okay?
Okay. Sure.
Okay, yeah.